First thing with this question here is we need to identify the errors made. I actually think writing the correct solution might be a better way to do this, because then you can see what the errors might be. So let's have a go at that. So we've got 2 log 2x minus log 2 root x equals 3, and we're going to use our laws of logs here. We can't use the subtraction rule here immediately. Remember, subtraction law would be log a of b minus log a of c equals log a of b over c. So we can't use that immediately here because we've got 2 log 2x. So if I was to do x over root x, what I'm not taking into account is that I've multiplied this by 2. Now, of course, if there was a bracket here, then we could do that, but there isn't. So what I need to do first here is I need to bring this log up here. So I'm going to use the power law, which states that log a of b to the c equals c log a of b. So let's apply that here. Remember, all of these log laws come from the rules of indices. See my separate video for that. Okay, so let's rewrite this, log 2x squared minus log 2 root x equals 3. Now I can use the subtraction law. So I would say log 2x squared over root x equals 3. And we can see already that that's the mistake that has happened here with this. So what they have done is they have not multiplied they have multiplied the whole expression by 2 in order to give this result here. And they haven't taken into account that this second part here, this log 2 root x, is not multiplied by 2. Okay, so we've identified the first error, error 1. The next bit here, we can simplify this. Remember, x squared over root x is the same as x squared divided by x to the half, which is the same as x to the 3 over 2. Our laws of indices would say 2 take away half, which is 3 over 2. So we've got that there. So we would have log of x to the 3 over 2 equals 3. Now I'm going to use the power law again in reverse. So I will have 3 over 2 log x, sorry, it's 2x, isn't it? Log base 2 of x equals 3. I'm going to manipulate this, bring this 3 over 2 onto this side, which would make it log 2x equals, remember this would multiply by 2 and it would divide by 3, which cancels. So I end up with log 2x equals 2. Okay, so far no more mistakes up to here anyway. Next stage here is to say we've got a base of 2 here, we've got an argument of 2, sorry, we've got a power of 2, and we've got an argument here of x. So 2 squared equals x, so x will equal 4. And that's the second mistake here. What they've done is they have used the base as the power. The power is 3. This is the power. This is the base. And this is the argument. Okay, so in the definition of a log. So this actually here should look like the base of 2 to the power of 3 equals x. So here it would imply x equals 8 if this would be a carry through mistake. So the two mistakes, mistake 1, error 1 there, and I'm going to call this error, not mistake, error 2 is here.